is the chance for flooding.
Yeah, and I do want to focus on where we have a flash flood warning. This was just issued within the past half hour for areas of south central Rockingham County and then stretching off to southern Maine. This is going to run until 1 o'clock. This is because we have life-threatening flash flooding that is possible due to the high tide levels. So that is what we continue to monitor. As for the rest of us, a lot of this is winding down for us. You can definitely see that across our region, starting to dry things out, and the rain has turned lighter. Still watching this little downpour that is trying to work its way past Billerica and into areas of Essex County. And within the past hour, we had some thunderstorms and some downpours that rolled on through across Cape Cod, but even that continues to push off to the northeast. Let's talk first about the coastal flooding. We have a coastal flood warning that runs through this afternoon for areas along the east coast. We're really watching that area from Hampton Beach and points north. So when we look back at the recent storm that we had on Wednesday with the flooding, the levels that we reached with the water on Wednesday is going to rival today's. We're expecting 13.7 feet is where that major flooding stage is going to go within Hampton. So however you prepared for Wednesday's storm, the impacts that you got with that, that's how you want to prep for this afternoon and use extreme caution in that area. As far as temperatures go, it is mild out there, upper 40s from Bedford to Boston, low 50s across southeast Mass, and we still have the gusty wind, especially along the coast, although it has come down compared to what we experienced earlier this morning with some gusts across Cape Cod, 50 to 60 miles per hour. As we put our future forecast into motion this afternoon, the trend, we're drying things out, left with a chance for a spot shower, but even in the mix, we start to get some breaks of sunshine, mild temperatures as we'll be in the mid to upper 50s. It'll feel nice, but it comes at the cost with a gusty breeze. The wind is not going to be as strong as what we experienced this morning, but still staying gusty out of the southwest, so switching directions eventually this afternoon, and you'll certainly feel it. Overnight temperatures are going to drop into the upper 20s to the low 30s. We'll be mainly clear, staying breezy. Tomorrow, the wind's still with us, and we'll bring in the chance for some snow showers. Temperatures for a lot of us close to near 40 degrees, but you can see back inland and across the west. Here's where temperatures are going to be colder, so we'll watch in those areas for the potential for some snow squalls to develop as those snow showers move on through tomorrow afternoon. So I'm really eyeing that for a time frame, I'd say between about 1 to 5 o'clock, and that could really drop the visibility, especially inland. Beyond that, the big weather story, the bitter cold temperatures that are across areas of the west. Look at Casper, negative 34, and that is the current temperature. Us for Boston, 49 degrees. Quite the difference. We get some of that cold air working its way closer to us. Thankfully, not quite as cold as Wyoming, but it'll be cold enough that our next storm that we're watching for could bring us some light snow showers Tuesday and into Wednesday. Farther down the pipeline, another storm is possible late Friday and into Saturday.